Hello and welcome. Today we embark on another fascinating journey into the world of the ancient Maya civilization, a culture whose understanding of the stars and the cosmos continues to astonish scientists even today. You may know the Maya for their towering pyramids and mysterious calendar, but behind these achievements was something truly extraordinary, a deep scientific knowledge of astronomy that rivaled even that of later European civilizations. Long before telescopes, satellites, or modern observatories, the Maya watched the sky with the naked eye. Night after night, generation after generation, they charted the movements of stars, planets, the moon, and the sun. To them, the heavens were not just a mystery to admire. They were a clock, a map, and a sacred connection to the gods. Their entire world was organized around celestial events. The rising and setting of Venus, the equinoxes, the solstices, and even eclipses were carefully recorded and predicted. The Maya didn't just study the skies for curiosity. They used their observations to guide agriculture, religion, and politics. Every ceremony, every harvest, and every royal event was chosen according to cosmic timing. One of their most studied celestial bodies was Venus, which they called Chak-ek, meaning the great star. The Maya tracked Venus's path across the sky with astonishing precision. They noted when it appeared as the morning star and when it vanished below the horizon, returning later as the evening star. These cycles were recorded in the Dresden Codex, one of the few surviving Maya books. The Venus tables inside this codex are so accurate that they can predict the planet's position even today, over 1,000 years later. To the Maya, Venus wasn't just a planet. It was the embodiment of a powerful deity. Its movements were believed to influence war, weather, and fate itself. When Venus appeared bright in the morning sky, it was often considered a time for battle or renewal. When it disappeared, it symbolized death and rebirth, a reminder of the eternal cycles that governed life. But the Maya didn't stop with Venus. They tracked the sun's path to mark the equinoxes and solstices, ensuring their temples and cities aligned perfectly with celestial events. In places like Chichen Itza, the temple of Kukulkan becomes a living calendar. On the day of the spring and autumn equinox, sunlight creates the illusion of a serpent and the feathered god Kukulkan slithering down the temple's steps. This was not a coincidence. It was intentional, built to mark the changing of seasons and the rebirth of the world. The Maya also studied the moon and used its cycles to plan agricultural and religious events. They understood that lunar phases affected not just light, but tides, crops, and human energy. In their myths, the moon was often associated with feminine energy, fertility, and the passage of time. Their knowledge of eclipses was equally stunning. Using mathematical calculations, the Maya could predict solar and lunar eclipses centuries in advance. They viewed these cosmic events as moments when the gods interacted directly with the world, times of danger and transformation, when balance between light and dark was restored. To record all these observations, the Maya created their famous calendar systems, blending astronomy with spirituality. Their long count calendar marked great cycles of time that reflected the rhythm of the cosmos. Every day was sacred, every number meaningful, and every celestial event carried divine significance. Imagine this. More than 1,000 years ago, Maya priests stood atop massive stone pyramids, watching the stars with a level of precision that still amazes modern astronomers. They didn't have telescopes, yet they mapped the heavens so accurately that NASA scientists have confirmed the precision of their records. What made their astronomy truly special wasn't just their accuracy, it was their philosophy. The Maya didn't see the universe as a random collection of stars, but as a living system of balance and order. Every planet, every eclipse, and every season was part of a grand cosmic design. Their understanding reminds us that science and spirituality once walked hand in hand, that studying the stars wasn't just about measurement, but about meaning. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember the Maya, the ancient astronomers who saw the universe not just with their eyes, but with their souls. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through the Maya's celestial wisdom, don't forget to subscribe, like, and join us for the next episode, where we'll explore how the Maya built massive stone pyramids without metal tools or modern technology.